Hello, everybody. This is Brian Grimm, just touching base with you again. A quick tab on the first half of What a Friend We Have in Jesus. This is for beginners, Dobro. Play primarily on the first string. And keep in mind, any tab is always counted off from where your capo's at or where your nut is at. And in this case, this would be in the open key of D. So if you want to play What a Friend We Have in Jesus in F, you would put your capo on the third fret from the nut. But we're going to play this here, and this will give you an idea. You can play it in open, and then the same muscle memory, the same movements, the same tab applies for the key of F. I had the request for the tab in F, and I haven't had the ability to figure out how to do that yet. So here we go. Oh, scheiße.